Hey everyone, it's Desiree. Hello. Good to see you all. Well, okay, I'm really not seeing you, but thought I'd pop in real quick to let you know that there is another Card Maker Success Summit. I've heard so many of you say how wonderful it was and what a good time that you had. It's not only just a summit. We're over 25 experts. Let's call ourselves experts. Are showing you different ways to make your cards. Now, these cards are any occasion: birthday, Valentine's, anniversary, sympathy, you name the occasion, and we're thinking about it, and we're going to show you how you can make a card. This is to give you ideas, to help you organize, to possibly help you plan. I know I need all the help I can get. Yes, I am one of those speakers, and why people are telling me that they've had so much fun. There's a Facebook group, and you get all of this information once you sign up for the free, I'm going to say that again, free 4-day event. This is going to start on February 23rd and will go to February 26th. There are going to be live speakers. There's going to be giveaways. Each one of the experts may have a freebie for you. I like to call them freebies, but it's a free gift. You can also upgrade yourself. Now, all of that is free. Okay, what I just said. It truly is free. And all of the presentations that will be shown are available for 24 hours after they go live, and they're shown during the summit. If you wanted to have access to all of these for a longer period of time, then you could sign up for the VIP access. This is at a good price right now, so I would jump on it. It will go up after the summit ends. So now's a good time to think about that, but that gives you even more extras from the presenters, from lessons to other presentations to whatever they have created. That will be available for you as well. So I do hope you will join me starting February 23rd to the 26th on this 4-day free summit for you all. Again, to help you get organized and to help you start planning out all of those occasional cards that we need. I always wait till the last minute. This will help inspire you to get creating in your craft room. I hope to see you there. All the information that you need is linked down below in the video description so that you can check it out. I'll see you then. Take care.